eyes go. I am already on the gas, running red lights, so probably shouldn't do this every day, I know. Probably should be able to take a break, I know.